So good day guys, welcome back to this channel. So if you are yet to subscribe, make sure you click on the subscribe button. Good day guys, welcome back to this channel. If you are yet to subscribe, make sure you do want to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. So let's see what we'll be expecting this week on EURGBP for the week. Also follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. I'll put the link in the comment section. So let's scroll down to the daily time frame, and now we would want to know our trend. At first, we were trending downward. The trend was on a downtrend move, right? But right now, we are now on an uptrend move. So we can see that we are having a series of higher high and higher low. This is it here. Currently, we're now having a series of higher high and higher low. So our full trend on our current trend of say on Euro GBP is literally on an uptrend move. So here is actually our major level here, which we might take as the demand zone. The markets came to this level, bounced up, come to tap it multiple times, rejected. Now we will see something like this: high, higher low. Here is also our higher high. This here with what we are seeing, we've seen a pullback which you can call as an higher low. So our next movement on Euro GBP will be a higher high. So we should be expecting a new bullish to the upside. Now there's every possibility that it will likely to drop down. The reason why I say that there's possibility that it will likely drop down to the support level is that this place is probably a major level, which is our support level. So we should be very, very careful of taking trade that will break and move it. So I personally will advise you to wait for market to come up itself to break this high. Once it can break this high, then you can open for the buy, continue the bullish move. If it does not do that, Euro GBP will likely drop to the support level. So my own bias, personally, I am expecting the sell to the support level. This is my bias. So we should also keep our bias open as market is likely to push up. I don't think it will do that. My own personal bias is that market should come to tap the support level. So let's see what it does this week.